You're not making crispy chicken. And the reason is not what you think. It starts before cooking even begins. Your chicken is full of moisture, and that destroys everything. Your chicken never gets crispy, and there is a very specific reason for that. Most people think it is about heat or cooking time. But the real problem starts before cooking even begins. Your chicken is full of surface moisture when you put it in the pan. That moisture turns into steam as soon as it touches heat. And steam is the enemy of anything crispy. Instead of forming a crust, the surface stays wet. Now you are not crisping, you are steaming the chicken. This is why the skin stays soft and rubbery. You may try increasing the heat to fix the problem, but that often makes things worse instead of better. The outside can burn before the moisture evaporates, so you get burnt spots and still no crispiness. Another mistake is overcrowding the pan. When pieces are too close, moisture gets trapped. Now even more steam builds around the chicken, and the surface never has a chance to dry properly. Oil temperature also plays a critical role here. If the oil is not hot enough, moisture is not removed quickly, so the chicken absorbs heat slowly and stays soft. But if the oil is too hot, the outside burns too fast. Good cooking is about balance, not extremes. Proper crispiness needs a dry surface and stable heat. Before cooking, you need to remove as much moisture as possible. Use paper towels and dry the surface completely. This step alone changes everything. Then give the chicken space in the pan. Let air and heat move freely around each piece. Do not touch it too early once it starts cooking. Movement breaks the crust before it forms. Wait until the surface naturally releases from the pan. That is when the crust is ready. Now you get proper browning and real texture. Crispy outside, juicy inside. That is the result you were missing. And it comes from fixing just a few simple mistakes.